Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a quick flip through of my Southwest Succulents File Folder Folio Journal. The digitals that I used are from Cara Brandon. All of her information will be linked below. And here's what we've got. Okay, as you may recall, I did roughly a 3/4 inch spine here. And then the journal has two quarter inch spines, one here and here. And this will be what I take with me when I get to go see my son in Arizona. So I had fun doing this because I spent a couple of days thinking about my son and all of that. Okay, so flip open, and here in this pocket I've got a journal card, and here I've got another journaling card. And I will just put these back when I'm done. And then flip open this way. And I've got this paper sack that I will come back to in a minute. But I've got pocket with a tag here, a tag here, and little bits of ephemera. I've got little bits of ephemera in different places that I haven't really done much with yet. Because when I do go get to see my son, I will be using the journal to document that and want to have some ephemera to put in it. So here's the journal part, and it is entirely blank right now. Got coffee-dyed note paper here, coffee-dyed paper here, Cara Brandon digital, a little bit of ledger paper. This, although you can't really tell, is a map of Arizona. More Cara Brandon digital, more coffee-dyed paper. This is out of a wildflower book. This is a wildflower that grows in Arizona. I believe it's called a blue dick. And here I've got a little bit of mulberry paper, more Cara Brandon digital on both sides of that. Here I've just got a little piece of parchment paper, more digital, center of the signature, and then the other side of all of those on this side. The journal I left the little tie strings, did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And because I put it in Midori style, the journal slides in and out, which makes it much easier for me to work with when I'm actually working in the journal or writing in the journal. And then we come over to this flap, and we've got our note papers that I just used some random scraps. And they tuck right in there so they don't flop around when we're opening the rest of it. And here I've got another journaling card and another journaling card just tucked right in here. Then we flip open this way, and we've got a pocket here where I've got a tag and another journaling card that I haven't done anything with yet. And then I've got a bunch of old postcards. Oddly enough, I only have one from Arizona. I couldn't believe when I went through my postcards, none even of the Grand Canyon, no nothing, just one postcard. So I thought I'd put that in there just for a little bit of fun. Then here we've got a pocket with a butterfly and a couple of tags in it. And here we've got a little pocket with a little bit of ephemera in it. And that flips over, and we've got this envelope with a card in it, Cactus Wren, which is the state bird of Arizona. And I just left a little blank note card in there. And close everything up. And there is the back of the folio. Now, what I didn't show over here was this paper sack. When I was printing all the stuff for this journal, I was having some trouble with my printer, so a lot of the stuff I got doubles of. And so inside the sack, I've got this little folder, which I put a bunch of my extras in so that, and I'm keeping them in there, so that when I go back and start filling in the journal, I think this will be a lot of fun, because when I do get to go to Arizona, basically if I take this stuff and a little bit of glue and a pen, of course, by the time I add pictures and notes and all of that, I'll have lots of little ephemera to decorate with without having to take a whole lot more with me. So that's what I'm doing with this journal, and it will just sit on my shelf waiting for the time that I can go to Arizona and visit my son again. So that's it, everyone. Until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.